So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with the black alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's what we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We then have the coolant temperature gauge beneath that. Over on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. And then in the middle, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 82,008. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, but there are other menus available to you, as you can see, including navigation, your audio, telephone, vehicle status, and then back around to where we started. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. We have stereo controls beneath that, which continue over on the right-hand side, along with the buttons I was using just a second ago to change the trip computer information. Just behind the steering wheel, we have the minus and plus pedals so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Next, we'll move over to the central screen for the car. Very easy system to use. You have buttons down the side here. Press the navigation button, which is the one we're on at the moment, and then follow instructions on screen from there. When it comes to music, we've of course got the radio. This car has got DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button. And again, you've got a number of options there. And they include Bluetooth audio. So once you pair up your phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. Pairing your phone is done by hitting this button and following the instructions on screen from there. We then have the main volume for the stereo over on this left-hand side. Below that, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. Air conditioning is off, or on when that light shows. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set here. It's on at the moment, so that's off just there. And you can turn the whole system off from here should you wish to. We have this section which opens up for some storage inside there. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We can turn the parking sensors on and off. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. And then the mode button will enable you to change the car from normal to sport to eco or individual. And under individual, you'll be able to customize all of these things yourself. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.